Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumshi benta ban pinchlore ki samna bakini shim benta ha ka ban thap ya ka vote ka jongki ha ka election MLA ka ban salong shen ka Ophis jong chief electoral officer ka jilla harangkat ka jingi trailang ka Meghalaya Model United Nations kala Pynlong ka Tamasa ka ba ars ngi lenter ka bala tip karteng ka Festival of Democracy Road to 2023 ka bala long hau susu tham auditorium ka bala sedang naduk menta ka sngi pat ka ban sakut la syai ka sngi ya kata ka Tamasa la penyat da Meghalaya Electoral Literacy Club. Ha kata ka Tamasa kila don shibun ke jingi lek kai kum ka quiz ke essay ke debate ka painting bat ka face painting bat kala don ru ka jingi dia thiet bam bat kum jo ru ka jingi tem ya put de kinong tem papau ka jilla. Shu a kata ka Tamasa kala don ru ka jing penrung kerteng na ka benta ke epic card ya gitu ke badang shudap card pras nem karata bakwa ban penthamai bat ki bakwa ban pentkalai ki katu ka ni ki jing tep ki jongki hapo ki epic card jongki
And by saying free and fair elections, I mean that the citizens of India are free to elect their own representatives, and they are free to cast their own votes and to choose their representative. Now, by saying disenfranchising a citizen just because he fails to vote in 2 consecutive elections, it's just a matter of joke and nothing much more than that. Because if we disenfranchise a person just because he fails to vote in 2 consecutive elections, we are directly attacking or challenging the very principles of the democracy, which says free and fair elections.
One of my party opponents said, there is nota. If you don't like the candidate, go and vote for nota. I ask you, if nota get most vote than any of the candidate, will that vote count? Who will win that election? First, please put the educational qualification as a qualification that a candidate conducts the election should have at least this minimum qualification. It's a shame because why? Many persons not vote because first thing, candidate is uneducated. Second thing, if I vote, they will do the same thing because and being a youth, I see there is no hope in voting. Only if government put at least educational qualification, a person who contests election should have at least this qualification. I go and vote. I am a graduate maybe, then the candidate who contests election, he is not even past his 12. Should I vote for that? I said, my leader, at least should have a qualification for him. My leader, I want my leader who is educated, who has the capacity to think and lead the state. Taking away the right of a person just because they don't vote, at least should think first why the person skip and does not use his right to vote. That is why my voting opponent just taking away the right of a person. That the Constitution of India, according to Article 326, stated that every citizen of India who is above 18 years of age, they have the right to vote. Under which law of Indian Constitution stated that a person who skipped to vote for 2 consecutive assembly election or any election should be disqualified. Under which law? I ask you, if you can show me any part of the Indian Constitution, then I say yes. What you say is correct. But there is nothing, because in Indian Constitution there is nothing supreme more than the Constitution. Only this few words my speaker I think a person who does not vote for Joseph should not be disenfranchised. Thank you.
Kring yaki bakin smotu ban pen shongshit yaki kabolong ningkong aklong pen shongshit yaki bakin ya shimmenta ka election bakam dei tang kata ka right ka jongki ani ka hok ka jongki ndek ka kamram ka jongki ru bat bakin pen smotu yaki yaki taki kentien ka bah ka ELC se bangi yang ka baka ong ethical voting kumno bakin smotu ka yaki ethical voting bat kumno ki di ban vote kumno bakin ong e me ka bor pisa kumno kin ong e me ka bor pen thame bakin vote ka jing smotu ka jongki kani ka main objective jong ka festival of democracy but mentau snam ngi don ka tabing khat ke super 6 henriut lik ek main sub teams ka bangile ka baningong kalong ka EVM man batai pang EVM VVPAT man batai pang ethical voting man batai pang youth ELCs man batai pang senior citizens but ki women kum tage tadi ka festival ling ba jong ka office jong chief electoral officer jong ka sor jong ka Meghalaya pangite baro ba how news nam ngi ya chakata ka elections mo pangidan tak election jong taki nong thau ain jong ni jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly dikani ka long ka festival la panya di electoral literacy clubs kini ki clubs kilong taki club jong knaret haki school na do class 11 12 but hi college kumjo bekila banya smotho but pan champang ka tak election ka bumut ayu ka tak election ba kumno bikin la ban long ka voters kani ka festival democracy kala panya ta kumang laong do chief electoral officer but ka Meghalaya MUN ka bangin wanra ka tak jingkmen namar ka elections kamdei tang kata ka ba min habili tap vote ni ka jingle sngoba ka jongi na ta daw ngi khat ya ka jingle sngoba jong jing sin shar pai ba but ka de ban kermoi ka ni hi kon samla kham tam ba phemde ban shu ong balengan vote kata ka min em ka jongi balengi di ban vote balengi don kam ban vote ba kanu jing nyo kor jong ka wei pa ka vote kata ka baning kong ka ba ar ka long bangi kwa bagi kon samla kinya srkhe mo ko mangi le ka ben Christmas ning le ka ben singkha kalong kumjo ka voting ka de kata ka wan chisian sansnam ka festival democracy ngi don ki competitions ki bonjait na do ki drawing ki essay writing ngi don ka face painting ngi don ka meme making ngi don ka photography na dong hadong competitions ngi don but ka porjan met ngi don ka festival ka balong ka concert haba ki bon bha ki nong rwai ka ni ka ri khasi ka ri jain tia ka jongi ki nyawan man rwai lang te ka de ka tai ka festival of democracy ka bangi khot ngiyo chisian sansnam bangin ya penon kam yu button jong ka EVM katu ka sansnam kan batai ya kabansawan yano phishim yano phijet kadi ka hok ka jong phi lada phi thiet jan Christmas ru phi hok anong phi phi thiet jan po pb ru pidan la ka hok non bala ban pen bore phi kumju kum taru pidan ka hok free and fair elections ka bangi ok so ka we ngi buon bha nga ju kran bhai ka ni bangi buon bha bakloi banya dawai ka hok bangi ya jisrok dangi yo i bakam biang ta ka emlang nga salang ni lada piklet ha ka sing election ban mi syakmat ban tap ka vote pila do le no e ka hok ka jong piru ban perda ki surok kan mau kun samla ka ar pun yau trek jong banai February ka Meghalaya ka next elections baro in Rio Portly constituency ban ngakwa mga khot ya baro ki kun samla bakin mi syakmat bakin knyat youtube button bangin pengi bagi kun samla jong ka Meghalaya ngilong ki bakit kya ya ka lawe ka jong tang katai